Michael Jackson Neverland Ranch and accompanying theme park were brought back to life on Friday as work continues on a forthcoming film about the reclusive singer troubled life and career. Jackson was preparing for a lucrative run of shows at London O2 Arena when he died at a rented Los Angeles mansion in 2009 as a result of a cardiac arrest following an overdose of the surgical anesthetic drug propofol. In the years since his death at the age of 50, the pop icon has remained a relevant pop culture figure, celebrated for the body of work he left behind amid a legacy complicated by controversies, among them allegations of child abuse. His life is now set to dramatize in new biopic Michael, with Jackson's own nephew Jafar, an accomplished singer and dancer in his own right, set to play his late uncle. Neverland, the Santa Barbara Country Ranch, originally purchased by Jackson in 1988, has now been reconstructed as filming continues ahead of the movie's scheduled April 18, 2025 release. Aerial photo revealed the fairground rides, tents and children trains it became known for have all been carefully rebuilt along with the Ferris wheel and a replica of Jackson Carousel. Additional photos show a recreation of his enormous red and white circus tent as well as the red train that carry visitors around the park. Billionaire Ron Burkle purchased Jackson Neverland for $22 million in December 2020. Burkle was a financial advisor to Michael Jackson after meeting him at an event for underprivileged children in the mid-2000s. He snapped up the property at nearly $80 million less than the asking price. Once home to the king of pop, the ranch in Santa Ynez Valley, California was inspired by J.M. Barrie novel Peter Pan and featured an amusement park and zoo. Speaking to the Wall Street Journal shortly after purchasing the property, Burkle explained that he wanted to give it a facelift, repair the train station which had been damaged by woodpeckers, fix the road and eventually get the train line up and running again. It was kind of a depressing place. It was not the beautiful place that it was before. It just needed flower and life in it again, he said. The petting zoo was brought back after the purchase and animals were reintroduced, although Michael's famous pet monkey Bubbles has lived at the Center for Great Apes Sanctuary in Florida since 2005. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.